Welcome back. In the last video, we created a beautiful function to prepare an EffNetB2 feature extractor and transforms from the wonderful torchvision.models library. Of course, our EffNetB2 has been pre-trained on ImageNet and performs quite well. So we'd like to take those patterns and apply them to our food vision mini problem. And if this model ends up being close to our goals, we're going to deploy it. So let's keep pushing forward. We need to now prepare our data for EffNetB2. Now, you might have already done this, and if you have, massive effort. If not, that's all right. We're going to do it together for EffNetB2. So this one's actually going to be possibly the shortest video of this whole section. That is because we've already pre-written the code to do this. So from goingmodular.goingmodular, we've seen this before. We have a little helper script called data setup. And then if we wanted to create a train data loader for EffNetB2 and a test data loader for EffNetB2 and get the class names, what could we do? Well, we could go data setup.create DataLoaders, and then we pass in the train directory, which is our train directory. And then we pass in the test directory, which is our testing directory. Then we pass in the transforms, which is our EffNetB2 transforms. That's going to transform our data. Then what else do we need? Well, we've got a batch size. Let's stick with 32. And then I think that's all we need. What do you think? If in doubt, try it out. Transforms. Oh, maybe this is just transform. Wonderful, there we go. And now let's have a look at our train data loader. How many batches do we have? EffNetB2 and length test data loader EffNetB2 and class names. What does this all look like? Looks pretty good to me. We have 15 batches of 32 or thereabouts training samples, and we have 5 batches of 32 of test samples. And we have our class names, pizza, steak, and sushi. And of course, this function comes from where? If we go to going modular, we've used this one a few times now, datasetup.py. This is just our create data loaders function. So there we go. We've got data loaders ready. What's next to do? Well, that is 3.3. I think we're already time to train. So training EffNetB2 feature extractor. I told you we were going to step up the pace a little bit with things in here, but I believe you're up to it. So if you want to give that a shot, you'll need a loss function, you'll need an optimizer, and you'll need a training function. And this is from, I'll give you a hint, it's from engine.py. So give that a shot, and we'll do it together in the next video. We'll train our first feature extractor model candidate for deploying Food Vision Mini. I'll see you in the next video.